Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn a lot of exciting things together. This video is divided into 3 parts. First, you'll listen to a short passage carefully, pay close attention. Second, there are 10 questions based on the passage. Try your best to answer them and see how many you get right. And finally, the third part focuses on vocabulary. We'll go over important words from the passage along with their meanings. So, are you ready? Let's get started with some fun and effective English learning. English listening and reading practice 79. My grocery shopping routine. Every Saturday morning, I go grocery shopping at the supermarket near my apartment. Before I leave, I make a list of everything I need for the week. I check my fridge and pantry to see what's running low or completely gone. My list usually includes fresh produce, snacks, bread, eggs, and a few household items. I try to plan meals in advance so I don't buy unnecessary things. I always bring reusable bags with me to help reduce plastic waste at checkout. When I arrive, I grab a cart and start in the fruits and vegetables section. I pick apples, bananas, lettuce, and sometimes something new I haven't tried before. I like to buy colorful veggies because they're healthy and look great in meals. After produce, I head to the dairy section for milk, yogurt, and some cheese. I always check expiration dates and compare brands before putting anything in my cart. If something is on sale, I might buy extra to save money later. I avoid the candy aisle unless I really feel like treating myself a little. I also grab some protein like chicken, tofu, or fish, depending on my mood. In the snack aisle, I look for granola bars or popcorn for quick bites. I take my time choosing items because I want to get the best quality. Sometimes I use a shopping app to help stay within my weekly grocery budget. I usually spend about 45 minutes shopping, especially if the store is busy. While I shop, I cross things off my list so I don't forget anything. Before heading to checkout, I double-check my list one last time just to be sure. I hate realizing I forgot something after I already got home from the store. At checkout, I place items in order, cold stuff together, cans in one section. I chat with the cashier briefly and always try to be friendly and polite. After paying, I pack my groceries carefully so nothing gets squished or broken. I carry the bags to my car, load them in, and return the cart. On the drive home, I usually think about what I'll cook for dinner tonight. Once I get home, I unpack quickly and put everything in its proper place. Grocery shopping might be simple, but it helps me feel organized and prepared. I actually enjoy the routine. It's peaceful and gives structure to my weekend. With food in the fridge and pantry full, I'm ready for the week ahead. Did you listen carefully? Now it's time for the questions and answers. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. When does the person usually go grocery shopping? Every Saturday morning. What does the person do before leaving the house to shop? They make a list of everything they need for the week. Why does the person bring reusable bags to the store? To help reduce plastic waste at checkout. What kind of food does the person usually buy? Fruits, vegetables, bread, eggs, snacks, and some household items. How does the person choose which groceries to buy? They check expiration dates, compare brands, and look for sales. How long does grocery shopping usually take for the person? Around 45 minutes. What tool does the person use to stay within budget sometimes? A shopping app. What does the person do before heading to checkout? They double-check the list to make sure nothing is missing. What does the person do after getting home from the store? They unpack the groceries and put everything in its proper place. How does the person feel about grocery shopping? They enjoy the routine because it helps them feel organized and prepared. Supermarket, meaning a large store where you can buy food and household products. Ingredient, meaning a food item used to make a dish, like tomatoes, salt, or flour. Meal, meaning the food you eat at one time, like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Fridge, meaning a cold appliance used to keep food fresh, short for refrigerator. Unpack, meaning to take things out of bags, boxes, or containers after shopping or traveling. Treat, meaning a small, special thing you enjoy, like candy or dessert. Section, meaning a specific part or area of a store or space. Shelf, meaning a flat surface in a store or kitchen where items are placed or stored. Snack, meaning a small amount of food you eat between meals, like chips or fruit. Label, meaning the printed information on a product that tells you what's inside. Fresh, meaning recently made or picked, not old or spoiled. Frozen, meaning kept at a very low temperature to preserve food, like ice cream or vegetables. Discount, meaning a lower price or special offer on something you buy. Parking lot, meaning an area outside a store where you leave your car while shopping. Cashier, meaning the person at the checkout who scans items and handles your payment. Organize, meaning to arrange things in order so they are easy to find or use. Crowded, meaning full of people, very busy or packed with customers. Trolley, meaning another word for a shopping cart, used more in British English, but understood in the US. Flavor, meaning the taste of food, like sweet, salty, spicy, or sour. Errand, meaning a short trip to do a task, like buying groceries or picking up a package. Grocery, meaning food and household items you buy at a store. Routine, meaning a regular, repeated way of doing something. Pantry, meaning a small room or space where food is stored at home. Produce, meaning fresh fruits and vegetables. Reusable bags, meaning bags you can use many times instead of single-use plastic ones. Expiration date, meaning the last day a product is safe or best to use. Compare, meaning to look at two or more things to find similarities or differences. Brand, meaning a specific company that makes or sells products, like Kellogg's, Dove, etc. Impulse purchase, meaning buying something suddenly without planning or needing it. Cart, meaning a wheeled basket you push while shopping in a store. Budget, meaning a plan for how much money you can spend. Checkout, meaning the place in a store where you pay for your items. Receipt, meaning a paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Pack, meaning to put items into bags or boxes for carrying or storing. Organized, meaning neat and well-planned, in good order. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.